In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem that you can't search on TikTok. So when we go to Discover and we type in something, just like, for example, podcast, just this, and you can see that I can search and now it shows me videos, users, here videos, sounds. So for me it works, but if it doesn't work, so you can't search, it doesn't show up, it's definitely something like a glitch on TikTok or a bug. So the solution to this is just open your Play Store or App Store if you have an iOS device. You want to uninstall the app and then install it again. This will solve the problem. Then you have to log in again as well, so make sure to log out of your account. And then when you log in, it will be solved because it's definitely something like a bug on TikTok. If it still doesn't work, try login on a different phone. And if it does work there, you have to sign out again, sign into your normal phone, and then it all should work. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.